In question 3, the coefficient of x power 4 in the expansion of 2x square plus k square upon x power 5 is a. The coefficient of x square in the expansion of 2kx minus 1 to the power 4 is b. We have to find a and b in terms of the constant k. Now we know that the expansion formula for a plus b to the power n is equals to a power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b power 1 plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b to the power 2 and so on. Now for the coefficient of x square, we can try and guess which term to use, nc1, nc2, nc3, or we can use a different method to figure out which of these terms to use. So the method is that we write the expression as ncr a power n minus r b to the power r. We are trying to find the value of r. So as we are trying to find the value of r for which the coefficient for which x is power 4, so we'll just use the variable in place of a and b. So as a is x squared, so we'll write it as a x squared to the power n minus r. So as n is 5, so we'll write it as 5 minus r multiplied by b. So in b, x will be x to the power minus 1. As if you bring this x in the numerator, this will become minus 1 and b to the power r. And this is equals to x to the power 4. Simplifying this, we'll get x into x to the power 10 minus 2r multiplied by x to the power minus r is equals to x to the power 4. Now, as when we are multiplying, the powers add, so we'll write the powers as 10 minus 2r plus minus r. So this will become minus r equals to 4. So minus 3r, so 10 minus 3r will be equals to 4, or 3r will be equals to 6, and r will be equals to 2. Now applying this to the formula, so as n is 5, this will become 5c2. A is 2x squared, so 2x squared to the power 2. And k, so this a to the power, it's n minus r, so this will become 5 minus 2. And b to the power, so b is k squared upon x to the power 2. 5c2 is 10, so this will become 10 into 2 cube is 8, so this will be 8x to the power 6. This will be k to the power 4 upon x squared. Now we can see that x power 6 and x power 2 will cancel to make x4. So the coefficient of x4 will be 10 times 8, which is 80 into k to the power 4. So as the coefficient of x4 is a, so we can say that a will be is equals to 80 k to the power 4. And the next expression, which is 2kx minus 1. So we'll write 2kx minus 1 to the power. So the power is 4 over here. The coefficient of x square is b. So for this, we can say now that if we take nc2, we'll get the power x squared. So we'll write it as 4c2 into 2kx to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 2. 4c2 is 6. 2 square will become 4 into k squared into x squared, and minus 1 whole squared is 1. So the coefficient of x squared will be 24k squared. Now, as the coefficient of x squared was b, so the value of b will be is equals to 24k squared. Now, in part b, it is saying that given that a plus b is equals to 216, we have to find the possible values of k. Now, we'll use the values of a and b in terms of k. So a was 80k to the power 4. So we'll write 80k4 plus b was 24k squared. So in place of b, we'll write 24k squared is equals to 216. Now to solve this equation, first we'll try to bring it into a quadratic form using a substitution. So if we assume that x is equals to k squared, then x squared will be is equals to k to the power 4. Now substituting this, we'll get 80x squared plus 24x minus 216 equals to 0. And we can substitute this in the calculator to find the values of x, or we can just